Hey guys, so for today's video I'm actually really excited. So this is something that I've never done before. I recently signed up for a clothing subscription for the first time ever. So Nuuly came across recently and it's been kind of in my mind for like a month or so. I feel like this is a good thing to do to just try out new styles, but also not be like buying so much clothes that we really don't need all the time, which is including myself. I think a lot of us might do that. So I think this is such a good thing for just overall the environment and also just for us to like explore a style and such. So I hope that this video is helpful in some way and I hope that you enjoy this. If you do like these types of videos, give this video a thumbs up so that I know, and subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. It would make me super duper happy if you subscribed. So I hope you're having a beautiful day or night, and let's get started on with the video. My package arrived yesterday and it arrived in this packet. I'm not going to show this side because like my address and stuff is on it, but it's just like this big super huge package. Basically it's kind of like low-key like a little mini luggage kind of thing. Like usually our packages arrive in boxes, as you guys know, and so this is such a like sustainable and such a good thing compared to like a regular like cardboard box or anything. So I was super happy already just like seeing my package like in this. I don't know what to call this, but this is also what I'm gonna use when I return my items. So I picked out 6 items, which is usually the regular amount that you're able to pick up or pick out at a time. So you get to keep the 6 items for a month, and in order to get your new 6 items you need to obviously return this, and then you don't have to worry about washing or anything. Like they do that everything for you, which is super nice. It is $88 per month for the 6 items, but there is like a tax included and stuff, so I believe it comes out to 90 something, but I will add that on the screen just so you know. And I also have a coupon for $10 off if you guys are interested, which I will link in the description box. I'm gonna open it now. I've been waiting to film this video so that I can open it with you guys. So the first thing that I see is actually this. So let me show you, just it's super organized and stuff. I'm not too sure when I send it back it's gonna look this organized, but it looks super organized. And I'm gonna show you pretty much like everything that I picked out. So the first thing that I see is this little folder, and you guys, like one of the things I really liked about Nuuly was their design. Their website design was so nice. I love their color choices, and this is just like kind of like a taste of it. Like I love their color choices and just their overall like visual design. I think it's so pretty and so just like super like satisfying to look at, so I really like it. But this little folder just says hi, and then if you open it, it says hi again. And then here you see this little paper. It just gives you some information, I believe, about just your 6 items and kind of like the things that I kind of mentioned right now. But after this you get your return label in here, so with your address and stuff, but that's in here, so that's pretty useful. I see some things on the side, so let me show you. Like I see some things right here on the side, so I'm just gonna go through them, I guess. So this seems to be like a bag. This might be, I don't know if this is for me to keep or if this is like for me to package up some of the stuff and send it back. So there's 5 little there's 5 little essentials in here. So one of them is the lint brush, then there's a double-sided tape, there's a wrinkle remover, there's a deodorant removing sponge, and then there's a static remover, which is super nice that they send you all this with your package. And it's super little, like small and like easy to take places. I think the rest of the things are the clothing that I picked out, so I'm just gonna go through the clothing. So I'm just gonna go through the clothing. I picked out pretty much all tops except one thing was a bottom. So the first thing I see on top are the jeans that I picked out, and I will try to show you guys everything like what it looks like on, just so that you get a sense of kind of like what, you know, if these products are worth it and such. So these jeans really caught my eye. I love the patching on these jeans, as you can tell. They're just different and it's so nice. I love how different it is. And I got a size 26, so I hope that these fit me. But these are from Anthropologie. To be able to rent 6 items for $88 is actually pretty nice when the brands are super pricey on its own, and I know I wouldn't be able to buy them. Since Valentine's and like February is around the corner, basically I wanted to branch out with more red colors, and so I picked out some red things. The first thing is, this is an extra small size. Yeah, this is an extra small sweater and it's from Free People, and it is just basically red and it's just kind of chunky. I think they have like little, what are these called? What kind of bubble sleeves? I don't really know, but they're more like rounded sleeves. I thought this was super cute and like would be easy to take and wear everywhere, but also it has like that pop of color, which is like super nice. So I really like this, and it seems like really good material. Like so far this stuff seems like really good material. Another thing that I've actually been wanting this for a long time, but I haven't really found one, so I decided to kind of try and search for one on this site. This is a Levi premium jacket, and this is like a chunky jacket, so I thought that would be like super perfect. Like an extra small would be big enough for me. And this is basically just a black jacket, and it just has like this texture inside. It's kind of like a green jacket that I have, but it's more like all over. It's not just on the top. This print that I have on here has been so trendy with pretty much like so many people, but I really love it. So I decided to go ahead and pick one of the things that I found, and this is different because it has some color. So this is kind of one of the things that I really branched out with as well. So it's like a pink, black, and purple sweater, and the texture, now that I'm noticing, which I didn't realize on the site, is more of a fuzzy texture. So it's not like a regular sweater, it's more of a fuzzy feeling. So I'm hoping that this isn't like itchy. So far it just seems soft, and the number right here is covering it, so I can't really tell, but it's something in lemons, and that's what it looks like, and I really like it. I'm so excited. Another item that I definitely branched out with is something that I've never even really, like, maybe I've considered it, but I definitely don't have anything like this. But I've seen a lot of like people style this, so this probably looks like so weird, but like let me show you. Basically this is like a sweater jacket kind of thing, but it's one of those jackets that has like fringes. Is that what it's called? Like they have these fringe, I don't know the term, but you know what I mean. Like this is what it looks like. I really like it. This seems a little bit oversized. I got a small, and it's from the brand Glamorous. The last thing that I picked out and that I see on this little box is a turtleneck, and this is again with the purplish, orange, reddish color. I don't know if you guys see the little accents of like orange or red in here, but they're definitely there. I'm pretty sure it looks just purple, but this is a turtleneck, and it's just a purple sweater turtleneck kind of thing. It is a little bit oversized, I noticed right off the bat, but I got a size small, and it's from a brand something River. It's getting covered, so I can't fully read it, but I really like it. I really love the color. I really fell in love with the color, and I don't have a lot of I don't have a lot of turtlenecks, so this is why I really wanted to get another turtleneck just to try it out. So far, from just like feeling it, the texture seems a little bit itchy, so this is actually the one that I'm kind of worried about. Might be kind of itchy when I wear it, so I'm kind of concerned about that, but hopefully it's not, but we'll see. But this is pretty much it. It's just a sweater, so I think that is pretty much it. I've emptied out the whole thing, as you can tell. But that is pretty much everything that my Nuuly package comes with. So I'm super excited to try these clothings out and just style them and wear them, because I don't have really much like most of these things at all. I genuinely just really wanted to try this clothing subscription. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and subscribe down below if you haven't already. It would make me super duper happy if you subscribe, so definitely do that. And don't forget to check out my vlog channel and all my social media if you are interested. And I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye guys.